I'm talking.
I don't see any question. I don't see any question there.
No,
You
I'm
already
going.
have the
I'm
answer.
going. I could ask.
No. You think that you have questions. You don't have any questions. I don't see any questions.
But I didn't say.
No, you don't even have to say.
Well, I don't know.
What, Mr. Mahesh Bhatt?
Yep.
Come on, help us.
Build up. Build up there.
Build up. You look at a beautiful beach.
There's a build
And
up.
you are attracted to her.
Then?
And the whole thing, you see, I wish I could embrace that beach, fuck that beach.
Yeah.
All that is the build-up I am talking about.
Yeah.
And why you don't do it? Why you sit here and what would happen if I grabbed her? Why?
Because
You are a frightened chicken.
Because, yeah.
Your
because,
nonsense taught you should not do that. Morality
Because of
comes
the-
into the picture.
But the
She
same-
slaps you, get slapped, buddy.
No, but because I.
No, because
No, because I actually.
you are not doing anything anywhere.
I want to be sure of the result before I act.
Yes, that's why you are not doing anything. There is no action there. No action. What to do, how to do. That's why you ask how all the time. That's the action. You don't do it. I'm sorry to give a crude example. Bob, help me. It's a waste. You don't do anything in any area of your existence. If you are hungry, you don't just sit and discuss about that food. What is the right food? Health food, vitamins, all that nonsense. Anything you get. Eat mud, sawdust, anything. Come on, Bob, you have not answered my question. It's a very serious question.
Eugene,
Yes,
you said we were talking the other day about sorrow.
I did. He was.
Yeah, he brought it up, but you said it like comes through the generations. Is that what you had said?
You are listening to all that crap on the ending of sorrow. That fellow is not free from the sorrow, otherwise he wouldn't talk about that. Whoever is talking of the experience of a silent mind. It's all bullshit. Nothing else. What is the sorrow you are talking about?
You keep on saying something which I'm battling with every now and then as it's not there.
What is it that
It is there.
What is there? You tell me.
My frustration is concrete, real. My sorrow is concrete, real.
Not
And you
at all.
just say it's not there.
Where is it?
It is there
You
inside
are
me.
just talking about
It is there.
because it is not there, that vehemence is coming.
So it is there.
No,
I feel
listen,
it.
it's not
I
there.
feel it.
No, where?
I feel it inside my body as a physical ache. I
No,
feel
but
it.
it is throwing out that nonsense.
No, it is there.
It is not there.
Frustration,
Where
the
is that
sorrow
frustration?
is in the body.
No, it's not there.
It is there in the body.
No,
And
it
you
is
say
not.
it's not there.
Where is it?
Inside this body, it is there.
It is throwing out. You see.
What is throwing out?
It is not throwing out. You are just talking about it. It is not there.
It is there.
No, you say that it is there. I say it is not there. That's the end of the conversation. Finish.
For you, it
I
is not
don't.
there.
For you also, it is not
For me,
there.
it is there.
You are just talking about that
It
nonsense.
is there for me. It is there for everyone.
I don't say that. How is it expressing
You
itself?
are the only person in who it seems to not be there.
No. It's not. It is not there.
That is why a man like J. Krishnamurti or a writer like that
You go
makes
there.
more sense to me than you.
Yes, certainly.
His frustration makes more sense to me. I
was-
can relate to that frustration.
He was a frustrated
Not to
bastard.
you.
No, why the hell?
Not to you. You don't seem to understand what
I
we are talking about.
understand you.
No, I don't think so.
No.
You say there's no sorrow, there's no despair, there's no frustration.
Why the hell you are still trying to be free from that frustration?
That's what my whole tragedy is. I'm still trying to.
Why you are still? Who is that? You have no problems.
Downstairs, they didn't call me.
What you are dealing with is
That's the point. I have no problems. Then what?
solution.
Then what? If there is no problem, then what? What do
Only
I do?
the solution given by those bastards you are dealing with, not the problem.
Okay. No, then if it is.
That is not the
It's not a
solution.
problem. It's not about problem what he's talking about.
No, it is the solution he has offered for your non-existing problem that you are dealing
We
with.
talk about-
All those bastards,
Ask Jed.
starting
He's
with
the only
Jesus.
one I've been in kind of contact with.
Huh?
Yeah, and he was saying that there is nothing like frustration, that we are all blissed out, we are all silenced, we are all something that is there and we are just not able to feel it. And then what? You're saying exactly the opposite.
Yeah. Yes.
So what? So
what?
what is the truth? What is the point?
What is the point? I'm asking you.
Yeah, but why is he spending sleepless night? Why am I spending sleepless night? Why I mean we all look like
You are the one that
like chicken here sitting and looking at you like that? Why? This I know because otherwise I wouldn't be sitting
You
here.
say I know, but what is it that you are doing about idiocy?
I don't know. I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. I'm here, like
You are saying
listening
that-
to you with eyes popping out.
No,
I'm
no,
listening to you.
You say that you are an idiot.
No, you said that, and I confirm it.
What is it that you are doing about your idiocy? Is there any word like idiocy? You are an idiot. What are you doing?
About it, well, I mean,
No, don't bring her into the picture.
if it's not into the picture,
Oh,
then
yes,
what?
yes.
And money, her, money, you,
Yes.
that's all.
Don't
In the picture.
don't include me.
Just include yourself.
Include yourself. Leave her alone.
But it's true what Mahesh say, because I mean, I've been talking with him. You remember the morning I walk in and I said, what is it? And his frustration, sir, down the
You
bottom,
are
his
just
frustration.
what you see. What is that frustration you are talking about?
What is it? It's
Yeah,
like being
put
able, being unsatisfied with what I have,
Yeah.
have nothing in the future that can pull me to do things.
Right. What is it that you are doing?
Your state is falsifying me. You say the frustration is not there.
Yes.
I'm being frustrated. Your state is falsifying me.
No, not at all.
You say there's no frustration.
No.
I say it's frustration.
You are just talking.
Of
some-
course, your state is falsifying
Make a
me.
movie and make money.
No,
there.
you have no idea what we are feeling, and you say there is no frustration.
You are. I don't.
You ask Robert. That's what we're talking about. Ask Mario.
Yeah, all of you can get together.
You can sit down and say. You can sit
Yeah,
down.
but then when we
Yeah, you can sit down and say there's no
dance
frustration.
together in the streets. All the frustrated
Yeah, but
bastards
I mean,
there.
sir, we are at the point that when we talk together, nobody
You
has
go
anything
there.
to say, and nobody has anything to say. We look into each other's eyes and we are all
no, go
talking
to
each other.
the
Nobody's
tennis court
listening.
is free. All you bastards full of frustration, go and dance and sing there about your frustration, and make a movie about that.
What about opening a restaurant?
That is better than talking about all this nonsense.
And then have the climax.
And then you can feed them people.
Okay, how about physics?
What physics?
Does the when we were talking the other morning and Mahesh was talking about frustration and sorrow.
Why you are talking? You know you are mechanically
Okay,
repeating.
forget it.
Just
Okay.
listen. You really are not talking anything. You are just saying frustration, frustration, frustration. They are all empty words.
Okay, the energy in the body.
No,
that-
you are just repeating
What?
that nonsense.
That's what I want-
I
that's
don't
what I-
see there anything except these empty words. I'm frustrated, I'm frustrated, I'm frustrated. And you
Okay.
put more energy into that.
Okay, let's drop that.
And then nothing else to talk about it.
But
Frustration
you
is-
say you're living the natural.
Don't
state.
bother about me. I'm talking about you.
But you say that that's the natural way that the body, everybody's body,
What?
naturally would live.
It is throwing it out because it has no place for that.
Like you say, there's some level of
Yeah.
hope
Yes,
that there will be a change
that there will be a change.
because I'm not satisfied the way
When? Yes.
that I'm living.
Yes. Why you are not satisfied with
And-
the way
and-
you are living? This body is interested in eating and fucking, nothing else.
Because I'm
To live
comparing
and
the
to
way I'm living to
reproduce.
you.
Nothing else is there. So anything you are saying about the body is totally unrelated, not interested. It's a shit throwing out.
But then why after your calamity you stop talking?
Don't worry about that, you see.
Yeah,
Don't.
but I mean, you're saying that, but then I mean, the reality is that.
Is that then why you don't do it? Why you are making it a big thing? Why you are choosing a particular bitch to shit? All holes are the same. Why there is a choice?
Yeah,
for
but
it?
what happened to you that?
Don't bother about what happened to me. Nothing happened to me. You read wrong books.
And I just,
So is UG's choice the problem?
Hmm?
Is choice the problem?
What choice?
So the body, you say, has a way.
Leave that body alone. It's not interested in choice. Not interested in anything you are interested in, what you call you. So, what is the hope you are talking about? Hope is related to something. Hope, what? You hope that one day you will get what? What do you want to get?
To be, if I'm honest,
You are dishonest,
when I,
Pastor.
okay, so I'm a dishonest person, of course, because I'm
It's all
here.
right with me. So don't move further from there. No further movement is necessary. You say, I'm an idiot, I'm a dishonest man. What is it that you are doing about it? It doesn't mean anything. There must be some action there.
But for me to take the action and walk out that door
That- you
doesn't
will
make
go
a
some-
damn difference if I stay here or walk out.
No. You
I'll
will
be
go
the same
somewhere else.
person.
You will go somewhere else.
That's what I mean.
Fine, go.
I don't want to go someplace
Then-
else. But my question, which
You-
you'll cut,
Yeah.
was: does the body? You say that you're only the body. You're not some spirit. You're not something else.
Yeah, then
There's
what?
no-
Why do you act?
Because I'm asking.
Listen, where do you go from there? No argument there. Either you have to accept this totally or walk out. That's all. Nothing else.
I accept.
No, you say I accept.
No,
What does it mean?
I accept that you're living the way you say.
No, what I accept does not mean anything. What is the action there? I accept. There is no room for one more word there. I accept, but you continue to do that. You are just continuing to talk. I accept, I accept, I accept. You think you are fooling me?
But I don't know how you're living.
Yes. Why are you
How can
concerned
I
about my living?
How can I stop? How can I stop the movement of that thought all
How
the time?
means you want to
I do
know.
want to know.
You want to know.
I'm not lying. I do want to know.
Yeah, I am not the person to put all that shit in you. Go somewhere else. All that they have done and put there in you is that shit. How? The how has to go.
But I'm lying if I sit here and say I don't want to know. It's a lie. The body doesn't have a natural
Just
intelligence.
forget about it. It has intelligence, and what is the point?
But the point was, my main question was, because the body, like the way that you're living is a natural intelligence.
The way I am living is like the dog there.
Right.
Are
Okay.
you ready?
So the dog
No
and you,
further conversation necessary. All that is coming out of me is the barking of a dog. Nothing else. You are the one that is making this barking, turning this barking into a language, English language. You are taught how to space this barking that is come out of this individual. The individual does not even know that he is saying things in English. He doesn't know. And you want to know. I cannot be of any help there. Try somebody else. Good luck to you. Go anywhere, do anything you like. That's the only thing that I'm saying. All frustration, right? Poetry, some nonsense, romantic stuff. What frustration? What is it that you are doing? I don't see any frustration. I have frustration. What the hell you are talking about? Not getting what you want.
Mm-hmm.
That is the frustration.
The wanting
What
to
is
know.
it that you want? You want to be free from frustration.
yeah.
Huh? Then you want me to tell you how I can be free from frustration. That is the one that keeps the frustration there. The how is related to the frustration. So you don't want to be free from frustration. You want to live with it, romanticize it, and make movies and make money. Sit on a platform and talk about it. Don't condemn it, don't justify it, don't identify yourself with the frustration. Be choicelessly aware of that. One who is choicelessly aware of that frustration is the frustration. There is no frustration other than that bastard's statement, choicelessly aware of frustration. That is the frustration. Because you will never be free from that. That's a joke. Be choicelessly aware of frustration. Just look at it. That doesn't exist. This is the only thing that exists. These empty words that you have picked up somewhere else. That's all. So you don't want to be free from that. If you are really interested in freeing yourself from that which you are not, That shit must go.
Is there something before the words,
Yeah?
like thought?
What?
There was a here today.
Go and listen to that. That joker says.
Well, he did. In one thing, he was talking about.
Why are you
thought.
talking about? What do you have to say?
Well, my question that
You
came
what
up in
he
that
what
was,
he said you
well,
will.
what is thought?
Huh?
What is this thing called? Thoughts.
No thoughts. Either you swallow this statement and repeat it, or that bastard's statement. There are only thoughts but no thinker. I am saying that there are no thoughts. Forget about the thinker. What do you do? Where do you go from there? Where do you go from there? How do you look at the thought? Look at it. The word is not the thing. The word is the thing. You can sit here and great philosophers can discuss everlastingly. There is a thing, some object is there, something is there. Huh? You can all that bullshit, you see. That's all. Recognition and naming. You cannot recognize anything without naming, no matter who says what.
But do you
Either
deny-
you repeat that nonsense or pick up these new phrases from here and repeat it. What do you want to do? That's all that you can do, nothing else.
But you don't deny that there's in fact electrical impulses in the brain.
All right, even if they are, those jokers are writing in the Time magazine, what they look at is what they want to look at it. And create some theory out of that nonsense and get a Nobel Prize. Nothing else. You are translating those vibrations.
So there may be no correlation, no cause and effect between
Yeah.
these electrical impulses and what we call thought.
Yes, that's all. You translate it. How do you translate that implication? Vibrations. And those jokers, you see, were recording the vibrations of a fellow who is meditating, fellow who has taken drugs. And that is the one, the real one that is registering. The silence is not the nature. You are interested in meditation. You want to prove to the world that this machine is registering the silence, the quietness, and the one who has taken drugs is registering this, whatever it is. So you condemn this and praise that. Fine. How are they translating those vibrations, assuming for a moment there are vibrations there? You are translating that into the framework of this bastard's knowledge because he is interested in establishing a theory and getting a Nobel Prize. He is not honest enough, that bastard. He doesn't know a damn thing about it, what he's talking about. Now use a different language. There are vibrations. Where is the memory? Where is it located? Neurons. You read all that shit every day. Time magazine is full of that. Now they are going to have advertisements for orange juice and apartments everywhere in Europe, and also call girls telephone calls because they are not making money.
Time magazine.
Time magazine.
Newsweek too.
This week too?
No, Newsweek too is that.
Newsweek, yes. But I want only the call girls' telephone numbers. How do you look at it? How do you look at this one? How?
Great.
You are not looking at it. No, you can't.
When everything is done.
You can never look. You have never looked at anything. You have never looked at anybody in this world, probably as a newborn baby. Without knowing what you are looking at, you cannot look at anything.
Okay, great. Thank
It's
you.
all right. Listen to all that shit. You see, the recognition, naming. Huh? There are only thoughts, no thinker.
Well, except for times
Hi,
when
Sonia.
I
How
thought
are
I saw something.
You are not looking.
you? How did
You
you
see,
it's
why you
something
are
else.
what? Why
And
you
you
are
realize
repeating?
it.
Why you are repeating all that nonsense? I'm just asking you a simple question.
Okay.
Not just look at the flower and listen to the river. That's not what I'm saying. That's romantic nonsense. You have never in your life looked at anything. I can guarantee that.
But something's
Without
looking.
knowing what you are looking at. No, don't say something.
But we have
Well,
got living here, heaven and earth.
Luigi, I can't deny that these eyes have.
Eyes are- eyes are not
see
in-
more fuzzy now. That's for sure.
Eyes don't see a thing. Eyes are looking at something totally different. Not what you call table or a man or a woman. Nothing. The eye does not say that. You don't know how the physical eye is looking at anything.
That means at least 30 you will have.
No. You can sit there and talk recognition, naming. The word is not the thing. The thing is what? That's for schoolboys in the philosophy class, not for anybody else. It's nonsense that is. So you repeat. That's all. Nothing is done about it. That's all that I'm saying. I'm asking a simple question. I don't have any thoughts. What is the point? The dictionary? Yes, certainly even the word bitch and bastard, I have to look at the dictionary, what it means. So thought is a definition given by those jokers. How do you look at the thought? Forget about anything else. I say there are no thoughts. All right, assuming for a moment that there are thoughts, where are they? Don't repeat all that nonsense you read in the Time magazine, the brain physiologists, the brain psychologists. It's a living for those bastards to invent theories, not to help you to. He himself does not know a damn thing of what he's looking at. He has to translate that and tell you it's a theory. Tomorrow somebody else comes along and says it's all rubbish. Huh?
Okay.
And he gets another Nobel Prize. And we are all fooled by those bastards, just the way we are all fooled by the religious man. Everybody is out to fool us because he is fooling himself. So we are not interested in that at all. What you have to say is very important for me. I have nothing to say. How come you have a lot of things to say? What you are saying is that garbage. What you are saying is no different from the garbage they put in those garbage cans. Somebody, my landlord, goes and collects everything. That's the way you collect all the garbage. From the scientists, from the philosophers, from the psychologists, because they have Nobel Prizes. They are written about in the Time magazine. They are on the cover page. They get prestigious awards. And some joker has 5,000 followers and repeat that. You never try even to look at it. I'm asking you a simple question. You are talking of thought, no thoughts, no thinker. Because you are all the time talking about it, I am saying something about it. I am only saying, please, for goodness sake, tell me if you have anything to say about thought other than what they have said. I have nothing to say because I don't even know if there is a thought. I can say there is no thought because every time I looked at thought, when those jokers talked about it, what I found was about thought but not thought. About thought, I picked up from there, memorized from here, that is all. Where is it? How do you separate yourself from the definition and look at it? Forget about anything, thought and all that. How do you look at that? Where is it? He says it's there inside. He barks like a dog, that's all. He's no different from a dog or the grunting of a pig. You can put behind that lot of emotion. Where is it? You don't say that, it is there. Are you really interested in freeing from whatever is the frustration or whatever you are trying to be free from? What is it that you are doing? You are doing nothing. I accept. All right, you accept. Then what happens? What is the action of accepting? Adding this nonsense, putting there in the data bank, memory bank of the computer. Then it keeps coming up.
That's the way it functions.
Yeah,
So
then
what?
you accept it then. That's the end of the story. Finish.
There's a bunch of memory.
Then you are making a statement, that's all.
Well, that's what I said.
You can also
I
say,
walked down the trail today and memories come.
what memories?
I,
You are talking about memory, not knowing if there is any memory there.
what would I call a memory?
If you call it memory, somebody else calls it a thought, somebody else calls it something else. So, other than that, you are not interested in finding out. As long as you are repeating that nonsense, there is no way you can find out anything. If that is gone, there is no need for you to know anything about thought. You can give another definition. A cleverer man, a brighter man.
There's other, like a memory, as like a feeling attached.
What is it? Tell me something about memory. You say memory. How does it operate in you?
I don't know.
Then why are you saying memory if you
'Cause
don't
that's
know?
what I've been taught to say. That's what it's taught to call this
Yes.
thing that is something that I recognize supposedly from a past that is
Yes.
called memory.
Yes.
So,
So
there
what-
is an impulse
why
that
is that-
comes up
why
that
is
has
that-
sometimes a feeling in here, someplace in
You
here.
are saying that. You see, why do you have to recognize that as a woman? What for? At this moment. All right, that's memory, of course. Otherwise, I wouldn't call her a man or a donkey or a pig, or I wouldn't call a pretty girl an ugly duckling. You see, all that we are taught. I know that. So why do you have to know what you are looking at, what you are feeling? That is all that I am asking. And how can I? How means you want to add more and more.
But I don't feel I always have to know. I don't know every name of
No,
every
if you
tree.
don't do it, you are preoccupied with something totally unrelated to the situation you find yourself in. Otherwise, you have got to look at it. You have got to look at it. Whether you name it or not is a different matter.
I'm sorry.
The process of recognizing is automatic.
You are not even recognizing. Where is that recognizing?
You say, I am not bored.
Yeah.
You function differently.
No.
I see I am bored. I want to be in your state. Your
That-
presence here creates an aspiration. What do I do?
Get out of here.
Then you say you should not want to change what
Don't
you are.
don't replace anything else in the place of your man. Go there, read all the books. Repeat all that. Go. Don't come here.